kunyihira 48 thutha wa Ndumiriri ya Mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto Nimainge na haria bururi urugameire na maria Makinyaniirie ta Thirikari kiama kia Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya Coalition kwetukira Mutongoria wa Raila Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka Nimainge Ndumiriri na Makiuga maundu maria Ruto araugire matiratorana na kigiriko kia Kenya.
Say that a year after our election, if you ask Kenyans, are you better off today than you were at this time last year? The answer will be obvious, that we are in a deep hole.
Kwa muhiano Mwaho wa Azimio ugite Nyongerera ya Magoti na gicunji kinene utumite namba nene ya Kenya thie na Mbere na kugirika riu makiendekithiria thirikari yeherie Nyongerera ya Magoti maya wona yaga bururi no kuharagana.
We fear that consequences of the foundation laid in the first year of this administration could linger for years if nothing is done.
Raila na muruna wewa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka aria magwikinyitie kigomano-ini kia democracy na kugarurwo kwa ukuria wa bururi kiria gikuharirio ni gikundi kia Contra the Newer ni matetetie William Ruto kurumirira mitaratara yake ya gutwarithia na mbere bururi. Odinga akiuga aramitwarithia tari yake kiube.
8 in 10 companies in Kenya did not pay taxes on earnings last financial year. This signals a tough economic environment that hit sales, prompting some businesses to scale down operations.
Mutongoria wa bururi muthenya wa ira miarine yake araugire aigithia kuma nja wa bururi ni mambikite kuigithia guku bururi-ini mari na witikio na mitaratara ya thirikari mwena-ini wa biashara. Odinga akiregana na ndeto ino na kuga aingi ao ni hema marambura na guthamira mabururi-ini mangi.
Following the passage of the Kenya Constitution Review Act 2008, Kenya Constitution Amendment Act 2008 by Parliament, the process of drafting a new constitution detailed in Agenda 4 began. 2 years later, and through a people-driven national dialogue,
Kwona Mwaho wa mgani waonekanaga utetia thirikari atari kuheana wiki rita riri nimayanite kionye makiendekithia thirikari kunyihia bajeti yayo na muigana wa shilingi bilioni 500.
So far, nobody has been made to bear responsibility for this budgeted corruption. We know very well that regional authorities duplicate county functions. Where do we retain them? Complete with budgets. To those doubting Thomases within the regime, these measures above will release the estimated 500 billion shillings required to bring back the economy on an even keel.
Mwaho yo no wendekithirie thirikari guthinga mathenya ma wici wa mbeca cia muingi undu umwe na gwitikira kurutania wira na thirikari cia county na honge citiganite niguo kwarahura bururi wa Kenya uria marauga werekeire kugwa. Nakio kiuria ni hihi thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni kuhimbiria mendekithia Mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja kana makumoerera ota uteti.
Na tukitia na ripoti yetu jitikiria tukotokirongoria